Welcome back to Tradition X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're both here with Allure. I'm going to open mine first.
We got it yesterday. We should have filmed yesterday, but we didn't. And so now Kim looks gorgeous and I look like this. So,
and I'm just 4 minutes older, so I felt like I should open mine
not
first.
that I look like any better than I normally do. I always wear the same kind of makeup.
That's what the inside looks like.
Pretty model.
Aww.
It's like all pretty freckles and freckles.
Yeah, and then the inside looks like that.
I feel like there's something far away.
And I might not post this till tomorrow, so if you don't see it until the 16th, that might, forewarning.
We got multitask eye serum mask, Bruno Laszlo's New York. So eye-catching instant results, pretty cool. If you want eye masks, I don't know, we have so many, I'll probably go to another giveaway. Cargo Essential Lip Color, okay, giveaway. So I just looked at all the lipsticks I have right now, there's like 1,000. Oh, they're real. I used to love this mascara as one of my, not maybe better than my Better Than Sex one, and there's other ones I like too. Should I let you show anything? Sorry,
well, I think she didn't get this one, which is the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream Hydrate Plus Glow. I don't think she got that one. I don't see it, and I think that placed the eye mask I think she got.
And then I got, what is this thing? Wash, Wet, Erase, Exfoliate. Wash approximately 1 to 2 times per week. Makeup eraser. Interesting. I could use more makeup erasers. That's one thing. Or I mean, I have my solar water, but it doesn't take off my waterproof colors. Waterproof. Yeah, waterproof stuff. So I need to get a waterproof one. And this one is Nuria's Defend with mulberry root and ginseng, native to I was gonna say China. My brain and my mouth aren't working correctly today.
She's doing that one. I got the Laritzi Cosmetics Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. That.
And then that's all I have. Do you have anything else?
No, that was it. We only got one thing different, so.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. Quick video.
That's
and
what
this
it looked like in the green
box is usually $17-ish a month, but I did pay for my full year, so yay. And I think it's pretty good items. Just I don't think I need all these items, so I'm definitely gonna put some in another giveaway. We're gonna try to do them like more often. So hopefully after this giveaway we're currently doing, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now and have to be part of that giveaway. But we're gonna try to do one every 2 months or so. So that was it for this video. If it was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways, as I said, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.